Hello, welcome to my channel, Dinesh's Kitchen. Today we'll be making chocolate chip muffins. So your first ingredient is 1/4 of a cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 pinches of salt, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, vanilla extract, 1 1/4 of a cup of milk, and 2 3/4 of a cup of flour. And you'll be using whole wheat flour. So first we will be starting with our dry ingredients. So here is your 2 3/4 of a cup of whole wheat flour. So you need to put 2 pinches of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now slightly whisk it so it's fully mixed in. So now once you've done that, you can go to your wet ingredients. So set this aside. Now you can start with this. So first you'll be needing milk. So 1 1/4 of a cup of milk. Melted butter, so 2 tablespoons. If there's clumps of butter and the butter gets cold, you can warm it up again. Now you have to add your half a cup of sugar. Now you should, to make it more fluffy, you should add 1/4 of a cup of yogurt. So I'll be using a spoon to push it in. So now you can add your vanilla extract. So it'll be 1 tablespoon. Okay, once you've added your vanilla extract, you can whisk them together. So whisk till it's fully incorporated. So now, once you've fully added your wet ingredients, you can add them to your dry ingredients. There might be a little sugar left at the bottom, so scrape that in. So now you can whisk it. So don't whisk it too much or it'll come too dry. Just whisk it till all flour is gone. So once it comes to this consistency, that means you're done. So now you just have to add the chocolate chips. So this is good enough. So just make sure it's fully incorporated. If you want it to come a little better, I recommend you add a little more chocolate chips. Okay, so once you're done with that, you could start adding your sheets to the baking tray. Okay. So I'm going to be using a tray of a dozen. Okay, so once you put them in, they have to be at the brim. So before you put them in, preheat your oven to 425, so it creates a dome-like shape. So after 5 minutes, you have to put it at 350. So now you have to keep adding till it touches the brim. So once we've done this, it's time to put them in the oven. So for safety, put your gloves on. Okay. So after 5 minutes, change the degrees to 350. Okay? So see you once it's done. So now that it's been 20 minutes, it's time to take it out of the oven. Okay. So the color might vary depending on what type of flour you're using. So now it's time for it to cool. So now that it's cooled down, it's time to taste it. Okay. Tastes good. So hope it comes out good for you guys. So please subscribe and like it. Goodbye. See you next Friday.